Got it? See the vision of Bangalore BBMP, vision of BBMP, no? Garbage free Bangalore. Is it a vision? No. The very vision itself is wrong. Okay? Got it? Secured, clean, green, okay? Bangalore. ಅದೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. If a commissioner of BBMP has to write his vision, he should not have, pothole free roads. No. Good roads. See, the thing is, when you write vision itself, you are wrong. Car ಬೇಕು. ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಫೋರ್ ವೀಲರ್ ಲೇಟ್, ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕಾರ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ we wait for until we get 10 lakhs, we wait. It is a minimum. You need it. You know it, you need it. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರಡೆರಡು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. You have to decide that with even 1 lakh, I can go to the showroom, take beautifully a State Bank of India loan 4 lakhs, and pay installment of 12,000 or whatever it is. This is better approach. Okay? You are helping the bank to improve. Okay? Please, don't think that Prem Kumar is inducing all greedy thoughts. You will never buy a car. Okay? If you want 40, that 7, 8, 10 lakhs to be in your hand, by the time you go and there, it will be 12, 15 lakhs. That car. Okay? So whoever has not bought car, another 1 week, decide, go for it. With just 40,000, I bought my first car about 15 years back. Just 40,000. One fellow was after me. Then I don't know, he called me, sir, how much you have? Look, I have got one work, in that I got 40,000 rupees, I have that much, you have, I don't want anything. Sir, give me that 40,000, give a check, sir. I sponsored 2 lakhs loan, I give you. Okay. See, the problem with making loans, I forgot your name.
Bhaskar, sir.
Bhaskar. Civil aid. The beauty of loans is, I'm giving you people who want to make properties and whatever it is, another bank is a partner, okay, if you use it properly. But if you abuse it, it is the enemy. Okay? You ask any person who is connected to business, nobody will do business in their own money.
Should not do.
Yes, Venkatesh sir, it is always there. Simple. So, please raise your consciousness level. Don't be a fool. Don't be a pig. The pig doesn't have consciousness, but we are human beings. The banks are there. Why? Gold, Manali, 500 gram. ಇದ್ದಿದೆ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಕಣ್ಣ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. These are the things which, in the name of security, we have all blocked the money. Okay? You got it? People who have got 500 grams of gold, how much they get in the bank?
75%.
I'm sure how much?
Percent.
Yeah, 75 to 80%.
How much it will be now?
15
lakhs.
lakhs.
500 grams, huh? 1 kg, it comes to about 80 lakhs something.
At least 15 lakhs.
95.
So go do something. But if I pledge you here, the money will go. Even the financial discipline, if you don't have, don't take loans, please. I advise each and everybody here, if you don't have financial discipline, don't take loans.
What do you mean by financial discipline?
You have to manage. Suppose if you have 15 lakh loan as you are taken from a bank to buy a property or to do something, business or whatever it is, you need to have that vision that it's a very clear-cut case of people do the mistake of putting back the whole money back into business. Again, that's a mistake. People do it. Okay. So most of the people, they do 100 rupees they got it, 100 rupees back into business. But they have to leave. They don't know. No food, no problem. They put it back. So it's a gamble again. So you need to have a discipline of 30% to your life, 30% to the loan repayment, 30% to the business, 10% dana, whatever it is. So if you don't have these kind of financial disciplines, please don't go for banknotes. Because banks are created for people. It is not, we are not, yaro kutilla, atara kutilla. We are all responsible people. Okay? Even if you make a 4 lakh loan for a car, what you would have lost? You would not have lost anything. Not even one EMI I have left. Okay? Even till date. Okay? My first phase of loans are over. But that depends on the discipline you have. Okay? Your again, financial vision. Financial goals we have, but the problem is we don't have vision. I have made people to build houses without making loans. Okay? It has happened. Because it is the power of visualization and affirmations. Even without going for a bank loan, they have built 40,000, 50 lakhs houses.
Can you state an example?
Not pyramid valley, myself is one example. Okay? So, but the thing is, opportunities open up. It's the need which drives you. Okay? The problem with Indians is we are like this because we have not created any need to work. 1 rupee kg ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ಕಾರದವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay? So what kind of a thing you are? So when you the loan can act as sort of a motivation for you to work. Otherwise you don't have any commitment. Just see the people who work for 35 years. I'm not against any employees here, please. Goes on working. They project it 3 lakh per year, or 4 lakh per year, 6 lakhs per year, 10 lakh per year, whatever it is. At the end of 30 years, I make so much. I have a retirement plan. I'm talking about the middle class, the financial planning. Good. But why banks are there? If they want to get into the next level, why the banks are there? They don't know. They have fear. So that kind of a risk-taking ability will only come when you have a good, strong vision. Okay? Having a 5-bungalow house is not a greed. Okay? You deserve it. You deserve it. You need it. I'm not telling you to live a poor life. I'm not asking anybody to live a poor life. No, live in a jhoparpatti. Okay? Live. Increase your living condition. Better. You help others too. Okay? I don't mind helping him, the way I have worked it. I never bothered about starting any new project. I just like that put one stone and start. Yeah, leader, remember. Yeah, and nowadays I don't do puja also, they only do it. It is not audacity, it is not courage, it is the belief in the trust in the existence. The problem is we don't have trust. Ultimately, we are not doing it. He is the one who is doing it through us. Okay? If your vision is based on need, okay? If your vision is based on greater good of the world, okay? If your vision is good, why Nityanand should be financially free? Because if he becomes financially free, he will be useful to the world. He will think about the world, correct? If Prem Kumar is financially free, tomorrow morning, he will go all out, he will do everywhere. If Krishna becomes financially free tomorrow, he will become useful to the world. Whole world, he will go around the world. You know, he will not be worried about himself. That is the motivation. But the problem is, we always, it takes 30 years, 40 years to fulfill our needs. The problem is that. So somewhere we have to accelerate. Ordinary goals have ordinary speed. Okay. Ordinary goals, ordinary speed. Have a vision which is then acceleration. Ade shuru agate. Kejriwal gave resignation. Today he is the Chief Minister of Delhi. Can you imagine? It is not easy. It is not easy. If you are not ready to leave whatever you have, you will not get big things. If you settle for small things, what? I'm not against being an employee for 30 or 40 years, but he can definitely become a boss. He's become a boss. I'm only giving a. Sudhinda should open a yoga institute all over the world. That should be his vision. Okay? Not ordinary small things. Like how Patriji has 2,500 pyramids around India. Alwa. Like that. So, before we go, close your eyes.